If you think AI is already impressive, wait until you see what's coming next. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that will absolutely blow your mind. Tools that can create, automate, think, and even work for you. And the best part? You can use all of them right now without paying anything. Tool number 1 is an AI that turns simple text into fully generated images instantly. Just type what you want, whether it's a futuristic city, a cartoon character, or a realistic portrait, and the AI creates it in seconds. No design skills, no editing needed. This tool is perfect for thumbnails, posters, social media content, and even digital products. If you've ever wanted to create artwork like a pro, this tool makes it effortless. Second, we have an AI that can write anything for you. From emails, scripts, blog posts, captions, resumes, to entire stories, this tool can take your ideas and turn them into high-quality writing in moments. You can even ask it to rewrite or improve something you already wrote. It's like having a full-time personal writer available 24 hours and 7 days. And yes, completely free. Tool number 3 is a voice cloning AI. Imagine recording just a few seconds of your voice, and the AI can speak in your tone, style, and emotion. You can use it for TikTok videos, narration, audiobooks, or even to translate your voice into other languages. This technology was expensive just a few years ago. Now you can use it for free. Next is an AI that edits videos automatically. Upload your clips and the tool will cut, sync, add captions, improve audio, and remove silence all on its own. It's perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok content. Instead of spending hours editing, you can finish everything in minutes. This one is a total game changer for creators. And number 5, an AI that learns your workflow and does tasks for you. You can tell it to organize files, extract data, summarize PDFs, convert formats, or automate repetitive tasks, and it will do them instantly. It's like having a digital assistant that never sleeps and never makes mistakes. AI is evolving faster than ever, and these free tools give you power that was unthinkable just a few years ago. Whether you're a creator, a student, a freelancer, or just curious about the future of technology, these tools can save you time, boost your productivity, and help you create things you never thought possible. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.